my gosh, what a performance from him. And everybody else for that matter. So Enzo on the first, Hannah's at second, and the third, and the fourth, and Joe's at fifth.
And sixth, of course, we have Rada, Long at 7, at 8, we have Akula, and then at 9, and 10.
Alfonso and Cruz. There you go. So we're gonna get a little bit of not really a break per se, because what's gonna happen now, we have a qualifying to determine the positioning for the final race.
The final race of the batch and the final race of the afternoon.
Oh, meron. Yung usual respect nila, meron pa ng cover icon. Very good design.